Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enter the BIOS on HP Compaq 250. To enter the BIOS on this laptop, first you need to shut it down. So I'm gonna click on the start button, then click on the power and find shut down. Let's click on that. And now, after the screen goes off, let's wait for another 10 to 15 seconds to make sure that the laptop is fully off. When the fans stop spinning, it's the first sign that the laptop is fully off. Now I'm gonna flip it like that so you can see everything what I'm doing. And first you need to click on the power button. Then after a moment, start pressing on F10 button multiple times until the BIOS turns on. So let's do it now. And now we can start pressing on the F10 button multiple times. It says BIOS setup options, so I can release. And as you can see here, I'm in the BIOS. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.